Hey everybody, I'm back. The birds are in the sky that I was talking about before. There they are, flying about. I wish they came a little closer so we could see how big they are. They're huge birds. That's dirt bike you hear, that's my nephew. They're homeschooled. Yeah, I was able to zoom in a bit. I don't see them now. The birds. I'm sorry, I'm going nuts with this thing today. Every time I turn away, there's the donkeys. Mama and baby. There's a cow there. Another cow on the other side of a tree. Let's see over there. The piggies and cows. And there's one of the birdies back. Two of them actually, but yeah, two. And that is on the main road 16. I don't know what that is. Oh, looks like a quad going by. Probably one of my nephews are on theirs. Come on back, birdies. I'm sorry, I'm all over the place, everybody. The rain stopped for a minute, so I was able to get outside on the back porch. It's a tiny little porch. You've seen it in my other videos. We're gonna get more rain. That sky looks horrible. I love the donkeys. I'm glad I saw the birds, so I was able to come out and get them. Glad I zoomed in so that we were able to see them a little bit better. Not much better, but I don't see them now flying. I'm trying to keep that post out of the video because I want you to get the field and the donkeys. Get some clouds. Don't see the birdies anywhere. Not sure what's on the top of that tree. It's a bird or what. Get the trees blowing from the wind. That was one of my neighbors. Must have been maybe lifting laundry or something inside the house. I don't know. Oh, I guess the birds want to fly somewhere else. Oh, and the donkey and mama birdie mama and baby donkey are moving. Oh, there's the bird. Where'd it go? There. I don't see it now. Where is it? Probably too high on the other side of the trees. Sorry, the door is banging. That's what I keep looking at. Let's see some cows over there. gonna zoom in on the donkeys. Well, not zoom in, but focus on them a minute. I'm gonna stay on the cloudy skies a little bit so everybody could see a little bit of the weather. Have a great day, everybody. God bless. Bye.